How to fix your eBay payment not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing is going to be common reasons. I've mentioned it all here. We're going to be looking at how to fix it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. If you have an unstable internet connection, you're definitely going to be facing this problem. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and verify your payment method one more time and check your card details are correct. Ensure that your card number, your expiry date, your CVV and billing address, everything is correct. You might also have insufficient funds, so ensure you have sufficient balance or available credit limit. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and remove the payment method and add it back. If none of it works, check if your eBay application has any updates pending on your App Store or Play Store and update it all the time. If none of it works, simply visit www.ebay.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.